This right here is the YK600 and it's the best alternative to the RK61. It has almost all the same features but coming in at only 165 ringgit. If you're interested in purchasing this, links will be down in the description below and stay tuned to the end to get a 5 ringgit discount. The new Doogee DG Aries is the world's first fashion punk designed smartwatch. Coming in at only $49.99, it has a lot of features that fit it well. It has a screen size of 1.32 inches with a high resolution of 360 by 360 round screen, 3 ATM water resistance, a large battery of 300 mAh, comes with Bluetooth 5.0. To celebrate this launch, Doogee will be giving away 10 of these smartwatches, so remember to join the giveaway. Links will be down in the description below. Remember to check them out, links down in the description below, and a huge thanks for Doogee for sponsoring this part of this video. So today we're going to be checking this keyboard out. This keyboard was sent over by DailyTech, so if you're interested, I'll put their links down in the description below. You can check out their Shopee and their Lazada link. So let's get this unboxed right now. So this is the box. On the front we can see the model is YK600. It has RGB, it has 19 light effects, and it has a wireless receiver. It's wired and wireless dual mode, and it has the 2.4 GHz receiver again, and it's got a mechanical keyboard. So on the bottom and the top it just says wired and wireless, and on the back we can see the keyboard itself again. It says it has Type-C charging port, blue switches, red switches, and a rechargeable battery. And on the bottom here you can read the instructions to pair it for the 2.4 GHz mode. So the version I got is the English version with the red switch. So now let's unbox it. So that is everything in the box. Let's check it out. This is the first thing in the box. We get a user manual for the YK600. So we can check it out right here. If you're interested, you can pause to read the video. It just goes through everything that the keyboard does and what is included in the box. Next thing that is provided is a Type-C cable. And of course we get a few accessories. First thing we get as an accessory is a switch puller right here. So they also provide you with a keycap puller. Last but not least, they give an adapter for the Type-C. Now let's put everything aside and check the keyboard out. So this is the keyboard. First feel, it's quite nice. It's plastic on plastic, but it feels quite nice to me. It's quite solid and looks pretty nice right now. So on the front, of course, we have the keyboard. It's a 60% layout and it's really compact and really nice. On the bottom we have no branding whatsoever. On the sides, this is what it looks like. On the top we have the Type-C in the middle right here, which I think is a really nice location for the Type-C connector. And on the bottom we have 4 rubber feet, the on-off switch in the middle, and we have the 2.4 GHz dongle right here, which is magnetically attached, I believe. Yeah. So this is the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. Let's turn it on. Ooh, so this is the RGB. In my opinion, first impressions, it looks really nice, and of course you can see all the functions. When you press the function key, you can access all of the functions. So now let's check out the keycaps and the switch, which is hot swappable. The keycaps are just normal double shot ABS that are shine through, so the RGB that comes through is really nice in my opinion. And we can take a look at the switch. The switch I got here again is a red switch. So the switches that I got with this keyboard is the Otemu Reds, which are quite budget linear switches. But I think for the price of the keyboard at 165 ringgit, it's pretty worth it for the price. Plus these are quite smooth stock, but you can loop them if you want to have a better feel. So another really cool feature this keyboard comes with, even though it's considered a very budget keyboard, is that it's a Hotswap PCB right here that you guys can see. It's Hotswap 5-pin, so it'll fit most of the switches on the market, which is pretty nice in my opinion. So this is what the stock stabilizers look like. They are white color and they are not looped from the factory. They're pretty stock and they're pretty decent, I would say. It's not that hard to actually mod them or upgrade them in the future, so these are okay for the price. So I'll be using this keyboard out for the next few days and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. But now let's do a quick sound test of the keyboard. So after using this keyboard for the past few days, I have got to say this is quite a nice budget keyboard to start with, coming in on only 165 ringgit with the hot swap ability, the RGB and the wireless function. I think it's a great starter board. Of course, the stabilizers and the switches are not looped. Well, for the price, that's pretty good and you can easily upgrade them down the line. So yeah, a huge thanks again for DailyTech for sending this over. Links will be down in the description if you guys are interested. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more videos like this coming very soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.